Okay, welcome back everybody. We're doing another mukbang, but today's very special because my dad is here in town, and whenever he's in town, we have to get some Mexican food because he loves Mexican food. And also, he's here because we're gonna be celebrating his 75th birthday. Say happy birthday to my dad! Happy birthday! How's it feel, Dad, to be 75 years old?
I feel very good.
Yeah, you feel young still?
Still young.
Look at that hair, it's still black. It's so black and my dad never had birria tacos, so we went to Mariscos El Picosita. Actually, Mariscos El Picosito. It's here in Santa Maria, and on Saturday and Sundays they do birria, and I got some birria tacos, birria de queso de birria, and then also the birria quesadilla, and we also got the gobernador, which is the shrimp and cheese tacos. We're gonna be eating that today. So yeah, but we're gonna dig into this, and then also we got, where's it at? Oh, the consomme right here. This is where we're gonna dip the and we got some salsa here too. I love salsa, and this is the consomme, the broth from the meat. So yeah, go ahead, Dad. This is this is how you do it, Dad. You could squeeze some. We'll squeeze some of this on here. Let's put this like this. And this one's shrimp, this one's the birria, Dad. And what you do is, yeah, you put that. Put this, and you, oh, sorry, Dad. And you dip it here. Like that.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. So good. It's good, Dad. Oh, man. Look at the inside of this. What do you think, Dan?
Good.
Is that good? Oh man.
This is different than the other
Other tacos.
tacos I ate before.
Yeah, very flavorful, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is where you dip in here.
Because I ate before is get a, what you call that, cabeza, carnitas,
Well,
and this is different.
Well, usually birria is they use goat, but this one's just beef. It's good, Dad.
Good.
We also got horchata here. I don't know if my dad likes horchata or not, but it's really good, Dad. Hold on, I forgot one thing. All right. So I went to Instagram and asked you guys, since I know my dad was coming this weekend because to celebrate his birthday. I went to Instagram to ask you guys if you have any questions for us to talk about. Let's see. Let me just pull up one of the questions here that you guys gave. Out of us three kids, Benedict, Sheila, and me, who's your favorite kid?
Jeffrey and Sheila.
Oh, what about Benedict?
And all the same, everybody.
Everybody's the same. Yeah, you're right. I think Sheila's your favorite though.
Yeah.
You still pay for her cell phone bill.
Yeah.
You pay for her cell phone
No,
bill?
not now. He pay all that.
Oh, she pays for it now.
He pay already.
Yeah, it took her like until she was like 30 something years old.
Yeah.
You bought her car too though, right?
Right.
But me and Kuidik had to buy our own car.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I get a down payment.
Wow. See? Me and Kuya, my brother, we all had to buy our own car, but Sheila, the baby, the princess, my dad paid for everything. And he just, I guess, just recently he stopped paying her phone bill. Sheila.
Yeah, that's
So I guess, let's just say
yesterday.
Sheila's the favorite. I think Sheila's the favorite.
well, the only girl.
Dad, this one's shrimp. Try this one next. Oh, you got that?
I got.
Try it. You eat it, then you eat it with this, the red onions. You could dip it in there too. It's good. Almost good too, Dad. Shrimp. Yeah. Nice, plump shrimp. But it's a good idea to dip it in the consomme. Next question. Okay, this one's actually from your niece, Dad, Chelsea. She said, "Will you guys come visit me here in Nebraska? I promise to take you to all the popular food places. Will you ever visit her, Dad? Nebraska? What do you think?
Maybe someday, but I didn't promise.
Have you ever been to Nebraska, Dad?
No.
No. Chelsea, my cousin, my dad's niece. She lives in Nebraska because she was living in North Dakota, I believe. She went there for a scholarship for wrestling. She was a wrestler. Now she's a head coach of a women's wrestling team in Nebraska. That's crazy. That's awesome. I'm very proud of that, to say that, and I'm very proud of her. Right, Dad?
Yep.
Yeah, so she's a coach for college in Nebraska. I can't remember what exact school, but it's one of the bigger schools. And she's the head coach of the female wrestling team. I'll put a picture of Chelsea right here. Next question. We didn't get that many questions, but maybe we could do more of these in the future. Next question. What's a dream of yours, Dad? What dream do you have? You're 75 years old already, but I'm sure you still have dreams.
I like to see, my dream is that I like to see all my grandchildren grown, and I'm about 85, 90.
Oh, there you go. Yes. So if you're 90 years old, my daughter would be let's see. She'll be 28, 29 years old. By that time. Yeah. 24. She'll be 24, 25. Jordan will be, Max will be like 20. He's going strong still, guys. 75 years old. He's going strong. That video, guys.
That is my goal. That is, I ask for to the highest to reach me until about 90. I don't want too old.
Yeah, it's too old. Well, one of my dreams is to finish the house in the Philippines so my dad could see it before he turns 90. So before he gets older, finish the house in the Philippines and live in the Philippines. It's gonna be nice. We have the front area, the entrance, the entrance of the property, the gate. There's a lot of plants, and then we have a guest house, a Nipa hut guest house, and you can see it right here in this video, or in these pictures actually. Yeah. All we need left is the actual house and the swimming pool. And once that's done, guys, I'm gonna invite anyone who wants to come to the Philippines. You guys can stay there for free, and we'll take you all around our hometown of Cardona, and we'll be your tour guide. And yeah, should be fun. I think my dad's getting full here. You getting full, Dad? Or
Yeah.
no? You're good. Or you want to try this quesadilla? You want to try it? Or you're full?
Later.
Later. Okay. This one's probably more for me, but it could be for my dad because he's lived here pretty much his whole life here in the Central Coast, but he lives in the Bay Area right now / the Philippines. This last one's called. This last question is, what's your favorite local place to eat? What's your favorite local place to eat, Dad, here in Santa Maria?
In Santa Maria?
Probably North China.
The North China.
North China, yes. If you guys haven't had North China, guys, it's been there probably like my entire life. I've been going there since we were kids, from what I can remember. So that's over 40 years ago. And right now it's running strong still. It's run by their son, who's Michael's son. He's running it now, and so their parents are retired. But North China, it's good, huh? Yeah, North China is the best. It's the best Chinese food here in the Central Coast for sure. My favorite, it's gotta be probably North China as well. I don't know. If we're talking about Santa Maria local, it'd probably be also North China. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this quick video with my dad since he's here. Happy birthday to him, 75 years old. He's already full. He's not a mukbang master. I'm not a mukbang master either, but.
Thank you, son.
Okay, Dad. Love you.
Love you.
Bye. I love Mariscos El Picosito. I think they've always had a food truck here in Santa Maria, but they opened a restaurant on Main Street by Wiener Schnitzel, and they're actually known more for their seafood. They have like octopus, they have fish, shrimp, their the tacos, burritos, cocktails. But since it's Saturday and Sunday, and my dad never had birria before, we grabbed some birria today, and I got those shrimp tacos too. But I'm probably not gonna finish this right in this video. I'm getting full, but I just wanted to show you guys and say hello to my dad. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can watch more videos. Thanks for the support, guys, as I'm starting to get my subscribers up. I'm trying to get to 1,000, guys. I need to get to 1,000, so share this video and have a good day. Thanks.